How to see who viewed your profile on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To see who viewed your profile on TikTok, open TikTok. Now click on your profile icon located on bottom right hand side of your screen. Here on top right hand side of your screen, you can see this hamburger icon. Click on that and then click on settings and privacy. Now here on top of your screen, you can see this privacy icon. Click on that. Now scroll down to bottom. Here you can see this profile view icon. So simply click on that and make sure that this thing is turned on. If this is turned off, then you won't be able to see those persons who have viewed your TikTok profile. So simply turn it on and then go back to your profile. Now after turning it on, you will see this foot icon on top right hand side of your screen. So click on that. Now if somebody give a visit to your profile, then their name will be simply shown here. This is how you see the list of people who viewed your profile on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.